In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Wix website to Google Search Console. So first of all, make sure that you select the website you want to add Google Search Console to. Now you have to hover over to the left-hand panel here and click on Marketing. And here you have to find SEO Setup Checklist. Just click on Go to SEO. Now it will want you to do this SEO setup checklist, but you can just skip this and just straight up connect it. All you have to do is click on the arrow and go back. And you just have to click here on Connect to Google. And instead of clicking here on Go to SEO Setup Checklist, make sure to click on Connect to Google Search Console. Once you click here, you just have to simply log into one of your Google accounts and it will automatically connect. Now, in order to connect, you have to make sure two things. First of all, your site has to be connected to an actual domain, because without that, it's not going to work. And secondly, you have to make sure that you upgrade to a premium plan on Wix. As you can see, even the cheapest plan contains custom domain, so that's pretty much what we need. So this is how you connect your Wix website to Google Search Console.